everybody, this is Nicholas from Nicholas's Stuff. Today I'm going to be opening the Salamence thing. It includes Bagon, Shelgon, and Salamence. So the full evolution, and it comes with a Pikachu coin and one booster pack.
Okay, open it up.
Let's get it open. Packaging is really cool.
Oops, don't forget about the...
Okay, so we have...
Do you want to start with this?
What do you mean? Oh yeah.
To put it in your hand and hold it out.
I already have one of these, but I can probably give one of these to my little brother. Maybe, so...
Just hold your hand flat, bud.
Yeah, so maybe I can give one of these to my little brother. It's a Pikachu, if you can't see that. Can you...
Yep.
Okay. So we have a Phantom Forces booster pack. And then we have the Salamence promo, and then all the other cards, Bagon and Shelgon. Salamence does 3 attacks and 170 damage on Steam Blast. Alright, let's get the pack open. Yeah, we have to show the packs. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we got ourselves a Giga or Dino, Card Blast, I don't know how to say that, another one of those, but it's shiny, regular rare Chandelure. The last 4 cards, a Chandelure, Wildfat, Golbat, and Leopard. So these aren't that, but these are the ones we got. I think this one would be like a basic EX.
Basic EX?
Like possibly.
Okay.
An EX. So altogether we have 10 cards, and out of all of them, I think these 2 were the best. And this one.
These 2 are the best.
And that one.
And that was with the Salamence, the Leopard, and the Chandelure.
Yeah.
Cool. And we got all these from
Walmart
today. Oh, and then we have these 2 here.
I got these 3 ones, and I think these are some of my best cards.
Okay, so we'll show 3 last ones, and we'll put these to the side.
So I got that. I got a Dragonite, and Nidoking, and a Bastiodon. Dragonite's Salamence is slightly more powerful than Dragonite because it does Dragonite does 150 damage and Salamence does 170, so yeah.
Okay.
And here's the Bastiodon. It does 10 more damage because it says 100 plus. And yeah, and then the Nidoking does 30 more damage.
Were these the ones that were in your stocking from Santa?
No, I got these from other packs.
Okay, cool.
So this was my Salamence opening, and I hope you guys liked it.
Thumbs up.
Bye. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Yay.